Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a mint julep. First, gather your ingredients: fresh mint, simple syrup, and your preferred bourbon. You'll also need plenty of crushed ice, which is key to the julep's signature frosty presentation. A julep cup is traditional, but any sturdy glass will work beautifully. Let's get started with the first step. Now, let's prepare the mint. Place about 8 to 10 fresh mint leaves into your glass. Add 1/2 ounce of simple syrup. Gently muddle the mint leaves with a muddler or the back of a spoon. Remember, you're not trying to pulverize them. Just lightly press and twist to release those wonderful aromatic oils without making the mint bitter. Next, it's time to build your julep. Fill your glass to the very top with finely crushed ice. This is crucial for achieving that iconic frosty exterior. Now, pour 2 ounces of your favorite bourbon directly over the muddled mint and ice. Stir the mixture gently for about 15 to 20 seconds until the outside of your cup becomes beautifully frosted. For the perfect finish, select a beautiful, fresh mint sprig. Gently slap it against your hand to release its fragrant oils, then tuck it into the ice near the rim of the glass. This creates an inviting aroma with every sip. Your refreshing mint julep is now ready to enjoy. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to some amazing darn tough socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.